Hey everyone, good morning. It is day 2 in Italy. Today we are going to be visiting an olive oil farm and we're going to have a tasting as well as having lunch at the farm, and then we're going to come back here to our hotel and we are going to be having our first cooking class, which is going to focus on pizza and focaccia. But right now we're going to get some breakfast and I can't wait to show you guys some of this hotel. It is absolutely spectacular.
They won't have olive production. They won't have oil production because of the cold.
Okay, so we're tasting olive oils now. We learned all about it, so I'm gonna go with the one to the left because that's the one that the artisan made. So we smell it. I'm gonna take a little bit in and then swish it, warm it under your tongue. You swish it around your mouth, and then we're gonna kind of like suck it into the back of your throat so we get the full sensation.
Neither does. Perché
è un olio ossidato, un olio che ha preso ossigeno e è diventato rancido.
It means that if it's oxidated,
You can definitely taste the fat content in it. It does. It has a high fat content. It's peppery in the back of your throat. It is, and it's delicious. And the big thing we noticed when we smelled them was his has more of a smell of fresh cut grass, where this one to me smells more peppery, more familiar for sure, but this one really has a vegetative smell to it, which is what you want to look for when you're buying olive oil. So this was a very cool experience. We learned so much here. All right, so this is our lunch, our antipasto to start. So it looks like we have a little piece of frittata, some eggs. Then we have a series of crostini with all different local spreads on them, different herbs, different local vegetables. A little, almost like a panzanella salad. It's got some bread in there, some more fresh vegetables. Signora, che cos'è questo?
Grazie. Questa è pasta sfoglia con le erbe. Ora non so di preciso che erbe, può essere spinacio. Ora lo chiedo e ve lo dico.
Okay. So it's basically just a folded over bread, a twisted bread with different fresh herbs and some spinach and cheese on the inside. So that is our first course for today. I'm gonna let our ladies do a little taste test for me. Some of our fellow travelers.
What's this one? Meat? Looks good.
That was I was gonna say it's gonna be fresh herbs. Yep.
It looks like a vegetarian plate.
It is. Our whole meal is gonna be vegetarian actually.
Vino?
And a little wine. There you go.
Of course. Grazie.
Ah,
Oh, nice.
delicious.
It's good.
Taste this. Delicious.
I'll pour the wine.
Okay.
Water though too.
Tutto vegetariano,
Okay, grazie. This is our,
okay.
there you go, our second course, which is farro, which is this whole grain with some vegetables, a white truffle sauce, and then shaved white truffles on top. So this is good. Definitely a very expensive plate. Yeah, the aroma is amazing.
It's awesome.
And now I'm gonna have Elaine tell us about the flavor.
It is just so good. It is so. You can taste the mushrooms. It's just awesome.
And Elaine's one of our picky eaters.
I am picky.
Actually. So yeah, so for
I'm
you
very
to
picky.
say,
It is so good.
It's like she likes it. She
is.
likes
Mikey
it.
likes it. Mikey likes it.
It is really good. It's like
So we can all eat now.
All right, so this is our final course. Spinach pasta with some fresh herbs. Oh wait, hang on. I'm just gonna take my first bite here. Hang on. So that's what we've got.
We can make this.
Oh my God.
The trip and Italian pasta machine. And didn't you get
The freshness and the flavor of that pasta. The fresh herbs that they put everything in. The house-made olive oil. The pecorino cheese for a little bite. Everything's been so simple and so delicious. It's just those fresh local ingredients. You can't beat eating like that. And this is our last course here today. And then we're gonna head home and we're gonna do our cooking class a little later tonight. So we'll be making some pizza and some focaccia. But what an incredible lunch here at La Romita in, I have to remember the name of the town, I'll put it in the description, but just absolutely fabulous here. And this is a B&B, so even if you wanted to just come here and do this, you could certainly do that. second day, so we had a pizza making class and got to eat our pizzas along with some fresh salad and vegetables that were made for us by the chef. And everybody just had a wonderful time, a wonderful day today. We're just sitting out here as the sun sets in the courtyard and enjoying ourselves. And thank you guys so much for watching this video and joining us via YouTube. And if you haven't yet, of course, hit that subscribe button and leave me a little comment in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want to be a part of next year's trip, be sure to sign up for Cucina emails at caradifalco.com. See you guys tomorrow.